Hello, my name is Dita Sanitya. On this occasion, I will read an article pickings. At Heavy Chain Research Sounds, we have launched, say founder Julian Richard. They also sell more per square foot than any other retailer in Britain. By Nigel Cobb, who is the best retailer in Britain, Marks and Spencer, Sainsbury perhaps, or Tesco? Wrong on all three counts. The answer is Richardson, a little known, privately owned, cut price retailer of heavy equipment with 28 shops in the UK. In the Guinness Book of Records, Richardson warrant an entry for the highest sale per square foot and any retailer in the UK, €17,000 for its store on London Brickwalk in the city. Even taking an average across all 28 stores, Richardson still clocked up €5,780 per square foot, 10 times more than Marks and Spencer, 6 times the sales achieved by Sainsbury. It is profitable too. Sales are up and its operating margin has soared from 3.4% in 1989 to almost 13% today. Last year, Richardson made profit of more than €3 million on sales of almost €48 million. The man behind Richardson's success is founder, managing director, and 98% shareholder Julian Richard, a 39-year-old Londoner who at the age of 14 used to buy and sell candles during the energy crisis of 1974, a likable bloke who wears his blonde hair in a ponytail and operates from a small converted Victorian vinegar factory in Bermondsey, South East London. He raps out his sales pitch. Even when I was at school, I wanted to going into business, he say, but my age was against me. Property was out. I wasn't old enough to seek a contract. Cars were out. I couldn't drive, so I turned to Heavy, which was watching on at school. I bought a second bank and you'll have seen for €10, did it up and sold it for €22 in 1979 at the age of 19. He opened his first shop, the one on London Brickwalk. Since then, little has changed. In simple terms, Richardson shall discussionate heavy from tiny basic soft with low overhands. Stock turnout is rapid and the company's smallness gives its flexibility to take advantage of deals offered by manufacturer on an offline or surplus equipment. The technique has enabled Richardson to secure itself a lucrative niche in a €4 billion audiovisual market dominated by independents, while lending multiple stock mainly the mass market volume selling MIDI system, which became popular in the early 1918. Richardson's sell only heavy separatists such as tuners and amplifiers, it by ether and offline rangers, which manufacturers are hoping to offload before the next cosmetically different model arrives from Japan, or small orders of current models weak. Perhaps because of poor stock management, the manufacturer is prepared to sell at a reduced price. Now, as manufacturer stock control improves, 3/4 of its stock is current model. Suppliers are keen to the business with this quirky retailer. People like Dixon and Cam have so many stores, 344 and 262 respectively, that unless you've got 500 of a model, it's not worth the while putting it into her distributor system, says Cliff Robert, Sales and Marketing Director of Akai. With research, you can do a deal on 30. Marketing is a key weapon. Richardson advertises regularly in national newspaper. We buy less space at a discount. Richard says. And in alternative magazines such as Private Eyes and Feeds, every month in produces up to 350,000 companies of a branch passing the latest offers. The shops are like walk-in warehouse outside bargain bins. Took special offers including audio cassettes for 59p, inside compact disc player, tuner and speaker from leading names such as Sony. Akai and Marantz are stacked from floor to ceiling. Banners hanging from the ceiling proclaim, "If you've seen in cheaper, will beat that price by up to €50. Good service is another priority. At Richardson's, staff are trained not to be fussy. They all attend 2 training seminars a year at Richards Country House in Yorkshire. where more attention is paid to following the correct administrative procedure. First time heavy buyers get a call to check that they have plugged in the equipment correctly. Customer receipt include a pre-phone number they can call if they have a problem. Richard's own name and office number are supplied too. The emphasis is on fun. If it's raining, customers are given a free umbrella. In summer, they get a Chilly Willy, a type of ice lolly. Other seasonal gifts include mine pies at Christmas and hot cross buns at Easter. We have a lunch. Richard says, "We don't take ourselves seriously, but we do take our customers seriously." Okay, thank you.